Hi, today we're going to do a 20-minute kickboxing workout. For this workout you don't need any equipment and you will have one short water break halfway. Let's start! Okay, get ready for the first round, 10 exercises. We start with the side step hooks. Switch on either side in a few seconds. Get ready and start! With the kickboxing, protect your face at all times. Keep your arms up, side steps and hook. Lift up your elbow, power in your arms, squeeze your ribs. Just a few more. And the last one, and that's it. Okay, next exercise, we stay in the squat. We're going to do some side crunches, touch the floor, just follow me. Keep moving, get ready, squat and start. So touch and back. Squeeze your ribs, stay low. Squeeze your glutes, squeeze your ribs. One hand on your face, the other one is touching the floor. Knees are bent, stay low. Just a few more. Squeeze your glutes, squeeze your ribs. And the last one, and up. Okay, active rest, keep moving. Next exercise, squat and jab, squat and jab. Get ready and start. So down and jab. Hands with your face. Squat, squeeze your glutes and come up. Power in your punches. Just keep going, squeeze your glutes, keep punching. Just a few more, almost there. And the last one. Okay, active rest. Next one is the jack knees up and up. Keep moving. Few seconds. Get ready and start. Hands are together. Hands down, knees up. Straight from side to side. Pump your arms up and down. Lift up your knees. Just keep going. Almost there. Last one. And that's it. Next exercise, dive, come up and jab. Get ready and start. Dive and jab, dive and jab. Deep dive, come up and jab. Jab to the side. Protect your face, keep your hands up. Keep your hands up, deep dive and up. Almost there. Active rest. Okay, we're halfway first set. Next exercise, side jump and jab. 4 on each side. Get ready? Start. Switch. Squeeze your ribs. Protect your face. And switch. Jump front and back. And punch. Almost there. Last one. And that's it. Active rest. Okay, next exercise is the uppercuts. Technique 1 and 2. Get ready and start. Up, up. Power in your arms. Squeeze your ribs. Up and up. Squeeze your abs, power in your arms. Just keep going, a few more. Bring your hands back to your face. And the last one. And that's it. Active rest. Next exercise, jump ropes. Keep moving, don't stand still. Get ready and start. And try to lift your knees sometimes. And low. And up. Try to keep your upper body straight. Squeeze your abs. Rotate your underarms. It's a jump rope. And low. Almost there. Keep jumping. Last one, knees up. And that's it. Okay. 2 more exercises. Maybe a short little break. We start with a repeater, front kick. Step back and kick. Get ready? And start. Step back and kick. 4 and switch. And switch. And switch. Kick. Step back and kick. Switch. Almost there. And switch. Last one. And that's it. One more exercise, the final one. It's the jacks with the jabs. Keep moving. Re-catch your breath a little. And start. Hands to your face. Feet are rolling in. Upper body straight. Squeeze your ribs. Bring your elbows back to your body. Jab, jab. Power in your arms. Keep jumping. Keep going. Squeeze your abs. A few more. And the last one. And that's it. Have yourself a short water break. Okay, get ready to repeat the set. Second round, we start with the step hooks. In a few seconds, get ready and start. Step to the side and hook. Lift up your elbows, protect your face. Squeeze your ribs. Power in your hooks. Just a few more. Keep going. And the last one. That's it. Active rest. Go further with the low squat and the side crunches. Touch the floor. In a few seconds. Okay, get ready. Down and start. Tap the floor. Come back center. Hands back to your face. Stay low. Squeeze your glutes, squeeze your ribs, and keep going. Stay low. Just a few more. And the last one. And come up. Next exercise, squats and jabs. Keep moving, recatch your breath a little. Okay, get ready and start. Squat and jab. Power in your punches. Down and up, squeeze your glutes. Just keep going. Power in your arms. 10 more seconds. And the last one. And that's it. Next one, knee jacks. Keep moving, don't stand still. Get ready, arms up and start. Pump your arms up and down. Lift your knees up. Keep jumping. A few more. Lift up your knees. And the last one. And that's it. Ready to catch your breath a little. Next exercise, dive and jab. Get ready? And start. Dive deep and jab. Jab to the side. Power on your jabs. Dive and jab. Keep going, a few more. Bring your arms back. And the last one. And that's it. Halfway there. Next one, side jumps and jabs. 4 on each side. So get ready and start. Jump front and back and switch. Bring your arm back to your face. Switch. Squeeze your abs. Elbows to your body. Few more. And the last one. And that's it. Active wrist. Next one's the uppercuts. Left and right. Keep moving. Get ready and start. Up, up. Squeeze your hips, bow in your arms. Bring your arms back to your face. Protect your body. Keep going, power in your arms. Ten more seconds. And the last one. And that's it. Next one is the jump ropes. Where you catch your breath a little. Few seconds rest. So get ready and start. And lift your knees. Upper body is straight. Rotate your arms. And up. And low. Keep jumping, you're almost there. And low. Stay here. And that's it. Next exercise, repeat the front kicks, 4 on each side. Get ready. And start. 2, 3, and 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and switch. Kick. Squeeze your abs to find your balance. And switch. Power on your kicks. And switch. Last one. And that's it. One more exercise, then you're done. Jacks and jabs. A few seconds rest left. Try to catch your breath a little. Okay, get ready and start. Hands up, elbows against your body. Jump out and in. And jab. Power in your arms. Squeeze your hip, upper body straight. Bring your elbows back. Protect your face. Keep jumping. 10 more seconds. Almost there. And last one. And that's it. Well done, you finished this workout.